Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? Welcome back. Today, we're delving deeper into TQQQ. We previously shared our initial report on our website back on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. Now, we're here to bring you an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay informed about our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could greatly impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please bear in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has ranked TQQQ as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.27. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. TQQQ has exceeded our expectations, delivering an impressive gain of 7.98% since we first recommended buying it 17 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.47% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend, indicating the potential for further growth in the short term. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 41.57% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 36.34% to 54.98%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is an anticipated 86.68% change over the next year, with a potential return between 33.97% and 103.15%. This translates to a price range of $70.52 to $106.94 after 12 months. Our latest update for the TQQQ ETF brings news of a significant drop in its price, resulting in a very red day. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, the TQQQ ETF price fell by 5.88%, declining from $55.93 to $52.64. Throughout the trading session, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 4.56%, ranging from a day low of $52.59 to a day high of $54.98. It's worth noting that the price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days, showing a positive trend over the past 2 weeks with a gain of 6.47%. However, volume has increased by 44 million shares on the last day, indicating a potential early warning and a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, approximately $5.27 billion worth of TQQQ ETF shares were bought and sold, totaling 100 million shares. Looking at the broader picture, over the past 52 weeks, the TQQQ ETF has reached a high of $57.90 and a low of $20.13. Presently, the price stands at $5.26 or 9.08% below the 52-week high. Additionally, it is 72.42% or $138.24 below the all-time high, which was recorded on January 8, 2021, when the price reached $190.88. Let's take a look at the signals for TQQQ, the triple-leveraged ETF for the Nasdaq 100 index. The short-term moving average has given a sell signal for TQQQ, but the long-term average is indicating a buy signal. Since the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, it suggests a general buy signal for the ETF, giving a positive forecast for the stock. However, if the ETF continues to rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $55.61. On the other hand, if there is a decline, the ETF may find support from the long-term average at approximately $50.85. Keep in mind that if the ETF breaks above the short-term average, it will send a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will send a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development of the ETF. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 29, 2024, and the ETF has fallen -7.76% since then. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume rose on the falling prices, which could be an early warning sign. It's important to monitor the ETF closely in light of this. Today, we're going to explore some interesting signals that can help you in your trading decisions. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's currently showing a buy signal. The pivots indicator, on the other hand, gave a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands are indicating a buy signal that was generated 7 days ago. The short-term moving average is suggesting a sell signal 2 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average is displaying a buy signal that occurred 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages is also important. In this case, it's indicating a buy signal 58 days ago. If we take a look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following signals. The short moving average suggests a sell signal 12 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 56 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages on this chart points to a buy signal 46 days ago. If you're interested in discovering more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today we'll be looking at support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. Let's start with support. Currently, the ETF has a support level just below today's price. Specifically, there is accumulated volume support at $44.40 and $44.24. It's important to note that when an ETF tests a support level, there is always a risk involved. If that support level is broken, the ETF may then fall to the next support level. In this case, if $44.40 is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $44.24 and $40.77. Moving on to risk. TQQQ is considered to be a high-risk ETF due to its significant volatility. It can experience large price movements during the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this ETF. To put things into perspective, in the last day alone, TQQQ moved $2.40 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 4.56% change. And over the course of the past week, it has shown a daily average volatility of 3.22%. Today, let's delve into the potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ stands at $54.54. If you currently don't hold any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering a position. However, if you're already in possession of the stock, this could be an opportune level for swing trading. On the flip side, TQQQ confronts its first support level at $44.40. Should this support level hold, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with hopes of a rebound in the near future. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $50.09, which represents a decrease of 4.84%. This particular ETF experiences significant daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. Furthermore, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 2 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? While TQQQ holds several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. At the current level, it is more suitable as a hold or accumulate candidate. We recommend keeping an eye on further developments. Although there are some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, our analysis shows that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Thursday, February 1st, we predict that TQQQ will open up $0.763 and start trading at $53.40. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. Additionally, we're curious to know your target for the ETF. Let us know. And if you enjoy this content, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.